Hello, everybody. This is Dale Sears, and I had a problem this evening that I've had before, and then I had a solution occur to me. So I'm just filming this to show you what I did that worked nicely. I think I'm not the only one that uses these cups with a snap-on lid to save up when we've mixed up something. We've mixed up paint. I did some piggy paints here, and I want to save it till I can work with it tomorrow and let the bubbles come out. But the lid wouldn't snap. Now it seems like some work just fine. You get another batch and they don't work at all. So I have a batch that don't seem to be working. I can sit here and try to put this thing on and it won't go. It'll travel all the way around. It just won't connect. So at first I thought, well, if the lid's too small or is the lip too big? So I took one and fixed it and it worked. What I did was I took the cup and I cut just a nick out of the hard lip, like that, just a nip. And once I took that out, I went down, I don't know, maybe a quarter of an inch. You could go a bit more, but once you put the lid on and bring it around, I just happen to do it this way, but it pulls together and it seals. And that's what I did with this one. And it's working. And I wouldn't be able to use this otherwise. It'd be very annoying. I'd have to put saran wrap on it or whatnot. But this worked. And it's sealed, so then I can use it. And I just thought I'd make a video, pass it on, and hope somebody else can get some use out of it. Have a good night, good day, wherever you are. Thanks. Bye-bye.